Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss a small problem based on qualitative analysis of organic compounds. So what's given to us is that the RF value of A and B in a mixture which is determined from TLC using a given solvent was found to be 0.65 for A and 0.42 for B. Now the same mixture is actually separated using column chromatography using the exact same adsorbent and the solvent. Which of these components will get eluted first? So let's try to understand this by comparing directly TLC with column chromatography. So you know that in the mixture, if you are trying to separate the mixture using TLC, as the solvent elutes through the TLC plate, the components in the mixture get separated, and here A and B components have travelled in such a way that RF value of A is 0.65 and B is 0.42. That is, B is much more strongly adsorbed to the adsorbent and has travelled lesser as compared to A, and obviously it shows that A has weaker interaction with adsorbent as compared to B. Now we try to carry out the same thing using column chromatography, where the eluent is eluted this way. You can see that the mixture gets separated like this, and a component which has greater affinity for the adsorbent will get retained first or faster, and the one that gets eluted first would be the one that has lesser affinity or which has lesser interaction with the adsorbent. From TLC we know that A has lesser interaction with the adsorbent as compared to B because it has higher RF value and it has travelled further. So if we carry out this in a column chromatography, obviously the component that gets first eluted would be component A, as it has lesser interaction or lesser affinity with the adsorbent. I hope you are very clear on how we have solved this particular problem. Thank you.